Hello, I am the uppercase letter P, and today you're going to practice how to write me. But before, let's see. I am letter P for pig. Great. Now, grab your pencil and let's go. You go down, you draw a straight line down. Great. And you go back to the top line and you draw a curved line. Small curved line up. Good. Next, straight line down and back to the top and curved lines up. Good. Down, back to the top, curved line like a small head. Great. Next, down. Good. And go back up and be careful when you draw your small head. Good. Next, down and another small head. Great job. Now you know how to trace me. So see you. Don't forget, you need to write more letter P's. Bye.